Best Trifold Poster Board Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular poster boards in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this Trifold display board so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this display board. The one that made our list is the ArtScale's Trifold display board. Now you can easily create eye-catching projects with these 6 white display boards that each include a built-in header. The easy-to-transport folding trifold board opens to 36 by 48 inches, allowing for plenty of space for your entire project. The header board is great for making your project title pop and getting your project noticed while ensuring stability. This self-standing, white backing trifold display board provides a smooth surface for use with adhesives, markers, paints, glitter glue, and more. This is perfect for school projects, yard sale signs, birthday parties, and so on and so forth. To check out the full specs of the ArtScale's Trifold display board and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/trifolddisplay. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use these display boards. So there you have it, the ArtScale's Trifold display boards. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that these display boards are the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the ArtScale's Trifold display board and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/trifolddisplay. Alright, thank you for watching.